Hey, how's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Gitter. In today's video, we're going to talk about why it's so important to regularly clear cache and junk files from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If your computer is feeling sluggish, this could be the reason. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files, caches, and leftover files from programs or updates that you no longer use. These files take up unnecessary space on your hard drive. If you're low on disk space, your system may slow down or fail to perform at its best. By deleting junk files, you free up valuable space, which can improve your computer's performance and give you room for the things you need, like new software, games, or personal files. If you're like me, you want to keep your computer running fast and smooth. In today's video, you'll see how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10 the easy way. Let's get started. Press the Windows + R key together on your keyboard. Now type prefetch in the Run window and click on OK. You will see the list of cache on the screen. All you have to do is press Ctrl+ a key on your keyboard and it will select all the files. After that, press Shift and Delete key on the keyboard. It will permanently delete all the junk cache from your computer. Once you press the Shift and Delete key, it will ask you if are you sure you want to delete these items permanently. So just click on Yes. Once these files are deleted, we will again press the Windows and R keys together, type temp, and click OK. A window will open on your screen. The temp folder leaves some remnants there, so we need to delete them. Here also we can see that there are junk files. So I will select any file and select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A and press Shift+Delete together, which will permanently delete all my junk files. After deleting the junk files from temp, we will again press the Windows and R keys together and now type %temp%. Here also we will see a lot of encrypted junk, which is of no use to us at all and we can delete it. So select any file, press Ctrl+ a key and then press Shift-Delete. Gradually it will delete all the junk. However, some files still cannot be deleted because some programs are using those files, so we will leave them and move ahead. Once the junk files are deleted, we need to do the last step, press the Windows + R key together, and this time we will type cleaner here and click on OK. You will see Disk Cleanup Driver Selection windows on the screen. Here by default C drive is selected where the operating system is installed, so I will just select that and click on OK. Now we will come to this window and select all these check marks. Recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail delivery, optimization files, temporary internet files. Please make sure you have check mark on all and then press OK. And then click on Delete Files. In this way, your junk files will be deleted and your computer will be clean. Removing junk files from your PC will also improve your PC performance. That's all for today. We will meet soon with another video. Hope you like this video. So quickly like and share the video so that others can also increase the performance of their PC. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe quickly and press the bell icon so that notifications of new videos reach you. Have a nice day.